If your Honda Civic's key fob battery is dead, locate the mechanical key. On the back of your key fob, find the release button marked with a key icon. Next, use this mechanical key to unlock the driver's side door. Insert the key into the lock cylinder and turn it. Once inside, for keyless start models, press the brake pedal and push the start button. If the fob is completely dead, hold it directly against the start button. Some 2022 Civics have a traditional key ignition slot under a cover near the steering wheel. Use the mechanical key there if applicable. After gaining access to your vehicle, replace the key fob battery to restore full functionality. Pry open the fob using a coin or screwdriver and insert a new CR2032 battery. Replace the CR2032 battery every 1 to 2 years to avoid disruptions. It costs about $5 to $10. Automotive key systems are evolving toward digital solutions, like smartphone apps such as Honda's My Honda Plus. Future models may feature biometric access, potentially eliminating key fobs. Despite advancements, mechanical backups will remain due to regulations, ensuring access even with dead batteries. Key fobs are used in 85% of new cars.